Hi, my name is Jeremy Flores. I am 26 years old. I took up a Bachelor of Science in Nursing and I graduated at year 2009 of April. Fortunately, I got lucky when one of the hospital in the province of Bohol, Philippines hired me as one of their staff nurse. It is a secondary level hospital and has 75 bed capacity only. I had worked there for 2 years starting from August 2010 up until August 2012. But before I was able to start working in that hospital, I have attended training programs first, such as basic life support, first aider, and intravenous therapy. Back to my working experience in that hospital, it was the most memorable and very crucial for me because that's when I started to stand up on my own and become more independent. I had learned so much from that experience also, like on how to have a good relationship with my patient, how to encourage them and make them listen to you. I also had learned to develop my skills to become more competitive and more professional nurse. I am very compassionate with my profession and in taking care of other people. I know that being in this kind of career is very difficult, but knowing that you had helped someone's recovery make me feel good about myself and feel very rewarding. Anyway, let's move on with my current job. Right after I finish my contract in the hospital, I immediately start sending my application to some agencies that were looking for any healthcare provider, either be a nurse or a caregiver. Either way, I told to myself that whatever the opportunity may come first, I will grab it right away and that's final. That is why I am here where I am right now. I am a pediatric nurse here in Al Naim Clinic, Al Hasa Hufuk of Saudi Arabia since 1 year now up to present. Since this is just a clinic, my working routine here is easier than I had in the hospital. The only thing that had me a hard time is the communication because obviously the language here is Arabic and I barely know about it. But as the day goes by, I was able to adapt it then a little by little and until now I'm still learning their language. In addition to that, my patience is also being challenged here because most people here are kind of conceited and arrogant. That's what I have observed. So if you don't know how to deal with them, you're the one in loss. I'm just so glad that I was able to overcome it all and handle them in a nice way. I feel so blessed and thankful to God for granting me the kind of patience that no one can compare. Anyway, I made this video to express my interest in the live-in caregiver which is currently available at your company since my contract here is about to end next year by November. I believe that nursing always involves giving care to everyone who needs help, which is also applicable as being a caregiver, and I am totally equipped on that already. I can do all around, not only child care, adult and senior care. I can do also home care and everything. I have always been compassionate with my job and very friendly to every client I handled. So, by that, I believe that my skills and qualification proves my ability to fill that role. And if you will hire me to be part of your organization, I promise to do all my best to be a good caregiver I can be and to be of good and satisfactory service to everybody. The one that really motivates me is my family, myself, and the God above. My family simply because I want to help them financially. Myself because this has been my ultimate dreams to be a good and successful healthcare provider. And the God above because I believe that God has been doing it all on purpose. Just like everything happens for a reason, He had let me to experience all the hardship in order for me to become more stronger and successful. That's all I can say for now. So if you have any further question or require additional documentation, please feel free to contact me here. Thank you for your time and consideration. God bless you.